In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Smtp server in Gmail Simple. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the account where you want to set up Smtp sending. This process is done inside Gmail settings, and it is used when you want Gmail to send email as another address, using that address's outgoing mail server. Look to the top right corner of Gmail and click the Setup gear icon. A quick settings panel will open. From there, click See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page where the sending options are located. Across the top, find and select the tab called Accounts and Import. This section controls how Gmail handles sending and receiving, including the ability to send messages from additional email addresses. Now scroll until you see the Send Mail As section. In that area, click Add another email address. A new window will pop up to guide you through adding the address. In the fields provided, enter your name as you want it to appear to recipients. Then enter the email address that you want to add. Take your time here because the display name and the address you enter are what people will see when you send messages using this option. Next, you will be asked for the SMTP server information. Enter the SMTP server details provided by your email service for that address. This is the server Gmail will use to send outgoing messages on behalf of that email. Be careful to type the server information exactly as given, since a small typo can prevent sending later. After you enter the SMTP server information, click Add Account. Gmail will then send a verification message to the email address you are adding. Go to that inbox, find the message from Gmail, and copy the verification code. Come back to the verification prompt in Gmail settings, paste in the code, and submit it to confirm you own the address. Once the code is accepted, the address is added, and you can select it when composing emails in Gmail. That covers everything you need to know.